Welcome to training on the UCAS Customer Administration Portal 3.0. This will be a fairly comprehensive lesson to teach you about the different sections of the Customer Administration Portal. By the end of this lesson, the following topics will be discussed: how to navigate the portal and a general understanding of the layout and functions, how to use the dashboard to view specific endpoints at locations, multiple ways to receive help and support, where to view call detail records, what they show, and what you can do with them, how to view your past bills and past orders, basic user administration, how to view schedules, and some basics about the services category. This video will show you how to navigate and use the Customer Administration Portal 3.0, and later videos will discuss specific topics in more detail. The Customer Administration Portal is a web-based interface for managing your hosted phone system. If you look at the top of the page, you will see the user information on the left-hand side. This will give you details about who has logged in, including email address and phone number. In our example here, you can see we are logged in as Melissa. On the right-hand side at the top is a section that takes you to a few important areas. You can access this menu wherever you need, to quickly contact us, or to log out when you are done. On the left-hand side, there is a navigation bar, which lists the categories that you can access. When you select new categories and subsections, they will open in the middle of the screen. Experienced CAP users will recognize these categories as they are the same as the tabs from previous versions. When you log into the Customer Administration Portal, you will begin at the dashboard, which shows a world map with the locations within your PBX marked on that map. On the dashboard, you will see your locations marked here. By selecting a location, a list of endpoints at that location will become visible. The Contact Us subsection of the Support category reveals multiple methods of contact. Incidentally, this is the same location you would reach with the Contact Us button at the top right. Your customized support channels will be represented on your own version of the Customer Administration Portal. You can send feedback to the product development team with a feedback form. You can open a ticket with the customer care team for technical issues, or you can choose to speak to a representative directly. Finally, an email link can be found for more lengthy communication. You should find many, if not all, of these options on your own Customer Administration Portal. Choose the method that gives you the most appropriate response time for your particular need. The Call Log subsection, found in the Reporting category, will show call detail records from your system. Inbound and outbound calls are shown, and details such as originating number, terminating number, start of call, and duration are all noted. Like many subsections, this one has some controls in the upper right that allow you to manipulate the data that is shown. You can use the magnifying glass to search the data in this subsection, or refresh the data for the most current info. There is also context-sensitive help files associated with all subsections and functions. These files can be accessed through the question mark icon. This subsection allows you to filter the data by particular user as well. Finally, some subsections will allow you to download the dataset into a CSV file, which can be easily imported into Microsoft Excel. Not all subsections will have all of these controls, but most will have the refresh and help buttons at the very least. On the Past Bills subsection in the Billing category, you can access your past bills, including the most recent one. You can then view the bill online via HTML format, or you can download it as a PDF file and save it offline. This can be very useful for tax and accounting purposes. To look at bills further back, you can change the range of time that is accessed from the drop-down menu at the top. For convenience, a rolling 12-month view is presented, but your bill records are always available to you, even years in the past. If you think of bills as recurring monthly charges, then Order Status, found in the Buy Services category, will show you these one-time charges. You can view the order details online, or download as a PDF as you choose. Just like your bills, these will stay here forever, so you can view, download, and print whenever you would like. The Administration and Access subsection, found in the Administration category, will allow you to add, remove, and edit users. More details on these functions will be found in later videos about user administration. The Download a CSV function at the top is particularly useful when building a contact directory in Excel, in case you want something that can be printed. The Schedule subsection, found in the category of the same name, will allow you to add, remove, and edit schedules. Once defined, these schedules can be used with other services to provide advanced call flow capabilities. These will be covered in more detail in separate videos. While there is no real limit to the number of schedules you can have, having more than you will use will make it more difficult to manage as you search for the schedule that you want. The services category gives a lot of subsections, all of which deal with call flow. These will be covered in more detail in separate videos. A quick rundown of the different subsections is here. With Manage Phone System, you can assign users to extensions, change extension numbers, and edit particular details for that extension. Auto Attendant will allow you to edit your auto attendants, which are interactive menus for your callers to go to the correct extension or department. Hunt Groups allow you to have a set of users that can be directed similar types of calls. Virtual and toll-free numbers is used to manage unaffiliated DIDs, or those that don't natively point to a particular phone. Music on Hold will allow you to manage, disable, or even customize your on-hold messaging. Devices will show you the MAC addresses of your activated devices, which can also permit hoteling. This is useful for device troubleshooting. Conference Bridge will show you all of the conference bridge numbers and access codes in your system. Virtual Extension and Mailbox will permit administration of unaffiliated extension numbers, as well as group voicemail boxes. And finally, Key System Emulation is used for advanced admins to set up key groups. Thank you for viewing this introductory lesson on the Customer Administration Portal 3.0. Be sure to check out our other videos